Hello, good day, money stars and fellow BOs. How have we been? Okay, so today I just want to make a quick video to show us how to take from our promotion account. You know that promotion account where from 3 stars rating, that's rising star upwards, you make a commission off your transactions, all right? Or from um, when Moneipont are doing a promo, like sort of when they are giving free transactions, how it's done is that they deduct the money, yes, but they put it back in your promotions account, right? So either of those, either from promotions or from those who are from 3 stars above rating, you make a commission of your withdrawal and your deposits, your deposit transactions. Okay, so I'm using my laptop to do this, but it's pretty much the same thing. When you log in on the phone, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see your main balance, then your promotion account. Because of the size of the phone, the promotion account is going to be promotions account is going to be down here beneath. You need to scroll down to see it. Okay, but it's still the same thing. There's nothing different. Okay, so what you will do is just tap on your phone, just tap on the promotion balance, promotions rather, like I am doing here. Okay, so I'm clicking to open. So on your phone, you're going to see redeem bonus. Me on the computer is just saying redeem, but still the same thing. So just click on redeem bonus. Okay, or you click on redeem bonus. Okay, so I need an OTP to log into this to be able to do this. You might need an OTP as well to do that. So they've sent the OTP to my phone. I'm just going to type it in so that I will be able to redeem my bonus. You know, Moneipont is highly secured. You don't want anybody to enter your account and do what you do on the right, right? Good. So how much do I have? Like, okay, as you can see in my promotion balance, I have 1,018 naira. This is the commissions I've made. Okay, so for some of you it will be higher. I've taken some of it before. For some of you to be lower, for some to be way higher, or than some of you will have nothing there because you have actually not earned anything from there. Your performance has not reached you has not your performance you have not reached from reached 3 stars where you can start any probably maybe during the business Moneipont have not done the promotion which you can earn something like that. But for those of you who have something there, this is how you take. Okay, so I just want to take 1,000 naira from you. Okay, yes, so I'm going to redeem this 1,000 naira. Why is that so? No, it didn't work, so I'm going to go over it today. I don't know why it didn't work. Let's do 1,000. See, it's supposed to work. Good, completed. See, probably that was network. Okay, so it's good it happened. I'll give this part of the video unedited so you can see for yourself. It might be network, but now it is approved. Okay, so what happens is that you remember in my main balance, I think it was around 1,400 or so. Okay, so now if you go to be 2,000, so it's still showing this, but this is not it. I'll refresh my browser. Right now, then you will see that it will have moved to my main account. You see, promotion is 18 naira now. So let me go back. You see, this is 2,422. Okay, so that's just how to move it. And then remember, when you're doing this, for those of you who have attendants working on the POS, for those of you who are not doing your POS yourself, you need to do this and know the amount the attendant had initially, so that when you're taking, you know the amount you're taking from your promotions account, so that you just quietly move it from the account without affecting them. Because if you don't know the amount you moved or the amount that was remaining in your account, you might cause them problem trying to balance account and all that. Okay, so like I'm doing this video tonight, so I'm going to take out this 1,000 so that my attendant won't be confused tomorrow. Okay, yeah, so that is just how it's done. So this is just it. And of course, you can take the money to any of your account or anyhow you want to do. Alright, so that's it. I just wanted to make a video to show us how to do it. Okay, alright, be good, guys.